Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris. Today I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price. And guys, as you know, we have an emergency situation for the Bitcoin price, and I know lots of you have been waiting a lot of this video because guys, it happened exactly what I predict you the last couple of weeks, that I was telling you that all this kind of pump is going to expose as the biggest bull trap that ever happened on this bear market. And guys, right now it's happening live in front of our eyes. We just see the Bitcoin price collapsing, and guys, I believe that we're gonna see a continuation of this dump into the levels which I'm gonna explain you on this video. Also, we have this descending broadening wedge on the weekly time frame that I told you yesterday, and also I posted on my Twitter. That's why you used to follow me on Twitter, guys. I'm regularly updating you there, so if you don't want to miss any kind of a tweet within a day about what's happening for the Bitcoin price, you should follow me on Twitter. Guys, on this video we're gonna speak about what I'm expecting as the next move for the Bitcoin price, because the situation is extremely bearish. And if you would like to know where we're gonna get in a price target in a short term, and of course in the mid long term where we're heading, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, guys, because with this way you are helping me so much to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm. And guys, with a very simple process of a daily like, daily comments, a share with your friends, a share in your social media, you are actually helping me so much, and appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone. And let's dive straight to the 4-hour time frame to begin our analysis, because we have lots of things to cover out on this very bearish situation, which is looking extremely dangerous, and especially for the guys who actually long their positions. Okay, and before I start, I would like to tell you congratulations to everyone who short their positions back on this rise wedge pattern. And let's continue, guys. On the 4-hour time frame, as we can see, we spoke about this breakout, guys, that I had actually predicted when we saw the price touching the $24,000. I told you that we had a formation here of the rising wedge pattern, and we're getting straight to retest this massive support of $23,350 area, which is the support of this rise wedge pattern in the 4-hour time frame. And I told you that I believe that the third time that we're gonna break this one, we're gonna start moving eventually to the downside. Okay, and all this kind of a pump, it's gonna expose as the biggest bull trap that ever happened, and it happened exactly as I was waiting for. We broke this $23,350. We went straight to the downside. And guys, if you remember from this point, I told you for a scenario that we're gonna see the Bitcoin price pumping a little bit up to retest the previous support as a resistance. And guys, I told you, if you remember, you can go and confirm my words by watching all my previous Bitcoin videos, that we're gonna find big weakness in $23,400 area, and we're gonna see a reversal straight into a lower level. And it's happening exactly as I predicted, guys. We went down, and yesterday I told you that the biggest support here, guys, is the $22,500, and also it was the $22,750. But I told you guys that this one support is not that strong as the $22,500. And I told you also that if we're gonna break the $22,500 area, we're gonna see an instant free fall on the price. And it happened exactly again as I predicted. We came back to this $22,500 area. We found some strength, we pushed the price a little bit upwards, but then eventually we came and we break it very, very strong, this support, and we move instantly under $22,000. And probably in the next coming hours we're gonna move even more to a lower price, because guys, all the indicators right now are flashing extremely bearish. Okay, also this double top position that I also described you, that can play out very, very beautifully, is information. We broke out the $22,750 and we moved to the downside. And guys, I'm gonna give it right now, before I move into a longer time frame and into the indicators, I'm gonna give you the technical price targets one more time for those who didn't actually watch my previous videos. We had the breakout exactly on this area. And guys, the technical price target of this is the $20,600 area, which I highly believe we can easily get there from time to time. Probably we're gonna find some strength around $21,000, within $21,500. We're gonna find support around here, and I believe it's gonna be around the $21,400 the area. that we're gonna find the support. We're gonna consolidate here for a couple long until we're gonna break and move into a lower price of the Bitcoin. But we're gonna get to this technical price target, guys, no matter what. In the next coming days or weeks, we're gonna get there. So subsequently, we have this double top, which, as you can clearly see, the beautiful formation here. We have the top, the first top, the second top, and the base was exactly the $22,750, which, if you metric the technical price target, you're gonna clearly see with your eyes that we're talking for a technical price target, which is exactly the area of the breakout, is the 21,300, 200 within $300. Okay, I'm gonna put a red box here. This, of course, price target is easier to happen. Of course, it's gonna happen probably from time to time. I believe we're gonna get there very easily because it's a very strong support area is around here. So I believe this technical price target will be accomplished in a very short term. And guys, this is exactly what's playing out from the technical patterns. But right now I'm gonna give you guys the indicators which flashing extremely bearish, and as you can clearly see, guys, the EMA rebound which flipped before a couple of days, and I predict you that this kind of flip is gonna collapse the price of the Bitcoin price, is playing out very beautifully, and we're moving to the downside in the 4-hour time frame on the EMA rebound. And you're gonna see clearly in the 8-hour time frame we squeezed a lot, and we're going also for a flip on the EMA rebound too. And of course I'm gonna put the hour time frame because here the most important indicator in the 1-hour time frame is the exponential moving average of 50 and 200, which you're gonna see with your eyes that we're talking for a very important flip that also happened before a couple of days here, and that flip caused this insane drop on the price. Let's see, I didn't actually check it before. In the 2-hour time frame, it's going very close to flip. And guys, I believe from time to time we're gonna see also the flip in the 4-hour time frame, which play bigger role than the 1-hour time frame. You're gonna see, guys, this flip probably gonna get straight under $20,000 because the first time that we saw the flip, it actually happened this insane bull trap, and right now we're gonna get into a lower levels with that flip on the 4-hour time frame. And guys, the most reliable indicator here on the daily time frame is the MACD indicator, which I told you and predict you many days ago. Before here, when we had the bullish territory, I told you the next coming days we're gonna see the flip on the MACD, and if you remember, I told you that if we're gonna see the flip, we're gonna see the price on the Bitcoin in a very bearish situation. And actually, yesterday I told you that this distance between yellow line and orange line gonna get bigger, and that gonna cause bigger bearish territory here and bigger drop on the price on the Bitcoin too. So that's what's happening from the technical side. And here, guys, is the pattern that I showed you yesterday, and this is exactly how I believe we're gonna see the Bitcoin gonna move. Here we have weekly time frame, and we have the descending broadening wedge, which also I tweeted on my Twitter. And we have here, guys, the beautiful formation of the descending broadening wedge of A move, B move, C move, and I'm expecting a D move to this support for the third time, and then we're gonna see subsequently this insane impulsive move to the upside. But guys, this rejection is exactly what I'm expecting, and I'm telling you in my every video, and of course I was telling you in my every video, that we're gonna get into a maximum pain on the crypto market for one more time, into one more capitulation, into one more very big crash, into levels of $12,000, $30,000, or at $40,000. And if you remember, guys, I told you that my worst case scenario is the $12,000 on this current situation. I don't have more anticipation to see lower the Bitcoin price, and I believe that we're gonna move exactly with this pattern. If you are watching this video, you are one of a few guys that know this pattern in the weekly time frame, this descending broadening wedge, and you're gonna see probably a couple days later many guys talking about this pattern. But if you're watching this video, you are one of a few guys that are watching first this very important weekly descending broadening wedge. And guys, on the weekly time frame also we had a death cross of 50 and 200, And guys, this kind of death cross, it happened for the first time in history, and this is very bearish situation. And of course, with that death cross, we're gonna see Bitcoin collapsing back to 12,000 within $14,000. That's the video, guys. Very simple analysis. I predicted many times ago that we're gonna see this very huge rejection, and this is not the end of the bear market, guys. It is not the beginning of the bull run. We're gonna see one more capitulation because all the fundamentals are bearish, and subsequently from day to day we were viewing the indicators and the patterns flashing bearish. That's why I was expecting one more big crash on the Bitcoin price. With the worst case scenario for me is $12,000. Okay, that's all, very simply. And if you're gonna ask me what we should do, Chris, right now, just do DCA, guys. Just start doing DCA from this price of $21,877. And if you're gonna start getting into a lower price, double down, triple down. If we're gonna get into a new bottom, quadruple down, go all in. Because no matter if the price is $12,000, $13,000, or even $11,000, guys, if you go all in on those prices, for example, when the bull run is gonna come and the price of the Bitcoin is gonna get to $38,000, you're gonna build almost 3x very quickly. And when the time is gonna come and break this very strong resistance, guys, we're gonna explode to the upside very quickly. So don't waste this opportunity, guys. Start doing DCA with BTC, quadruple down your positions when we're gonna get into a new bottom, double down, triple down if you're gonna drop under $18,000 or $17,000, and you're gonna be safe for the future, and you're gonna build crazy generational wealth when the next bull run is gonna come. So thank you so much, guys, for your support. Appreciate you for all the likes, all the comments, all the follows on Twitter, on YouTube, everywhere. A big thank you from the bottom of my heart, guys, and see you tomorrow with a fresh update. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.